In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove image backgrounds in GIMP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are just starting out with this powerful, free image editing software. GIMP, short for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is an excellent tool that many artists, designers, and hobbyists use for creating and editing graphics. Today we'll focus on one essential skill: removing the background from an image. This might seem a bit challenging at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your image in GIMP. You can do this by launching GIMP, clicking on File in the top menu, and then selecting Open. Navigate through your files until you find the image you want to work with, and double-click to open it. Having your image ready sets the stage for the fun part, where we dive into using GIMP's selection tools. Next, we're going to focus on selecting the background you want to remove. GIMP offers a couple of tools that can help with this: the Fuzzy Select tool and the Select by Color tool. If your image has a solid color background, the Select by Color tool is your best bet. However, for images with a more complex background, the Fuzzy Select tool might be the better choice. You can find these tools in the toolbox on the left side of the screen. Simply click on the tool you want to use, then click on the background area of your image. The tool should highlight the selected area, making it easier to see which parts will be removed. Now it's time to delete the background. This step is quite straightforward. After you've selected the background, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. You should see the selected background area disappear, leaving a checkered pattern, which indicates transparency. If any parts of the background remain, you can click and delete those sections as well, ensuring the object in the foreground stands out. Finally, to preserve this newly created transparency, you need to save your image as a PNG file. PNG is a file format that supports transparent backgrounds. Click on File in the top menu, then select Export As. In the dialog that appears, make sure to change the file extension to .png if it isn't already. Select your desired location and hit Export. You might need to confirm some settings, but once that's done, your image is saved and ready to use with the background removed. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the background from an image using GIMP. Practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to play around with the tools and settings to get more comfortable. Thank you for watching this GIMP tutorial for beginners. Happy editing!